Well done, buddy.
Kan du så sånt?
Of one and two more.
Welcome to Studio C. My name is Michael, and I'll be your tour guide on your 3-hour walking tour. Have you guys step all the way forward and to your left, filling in all the available carpet space. As you can see, Aerosmith is laying down their latest track they like to call Walk This Way. It might be a hit someday. So as a courtesy to the band, please no flash photography. And for your safety, please do not sit, stand, stage dive, climb, or like those over handrails. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your tour of G-Force Records. We're turning the music industry upside down.
Oh, we got company.
Wow. All right.
Two people.
All right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
What's hey?
What are you guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show. Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go. Come on.
Chris, can you grab my black list, Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah,
that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Hey, Steven, how about some backstage passes?
Whoa! Backstage, baby! I love that idea. How about some backstage passes? Woo! Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay, I'll make it happen. You'll get out of here. I hate all of you.
See ya.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Excuse me. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car.
Where is it?
Okay, wait, it's out in the alley.
Congrats on those backstage passes. I've literally never seen that happen before. Keep on moving down against the keep you on that party in front of you. Please do not stop and watch that LA traffic. I swear you don't notice it.
Welcome back, VIPs. Exit to your right. We'll see you next tour.
Push down, let go, exit out to your right.
And I saw a cargo